If you've seen the other studio or any of the videos where we showed off some of the cool things that we have over there, like those big Beat Saber blocks, little Beat Saber keychain, my 3D printed logo, MrTass has hooked us up with all kinds of stuff on the channel. And I got 2 more boxes here from him with no idea what's in them. So let's find out. Gotta have that small sharpened boxing knife. Even though these don't technically require tape, MrTass taped it up just apparently to mess with me. We got, oh shoot, okay. There's a bunch of stuff in there. I knew that he was sending me a bunch more golf clubs just to throw in giveaway packages for all of you, so I got no one here. But these are some concepts here he's been working on. That is a PSVR 2 right there with the PSVR 2 controllers right next to it. I've got another Quest 2 controllers keychain. And I believe this is supposed to be a Quest 2. It looks like one. Yeah, I can even see the little holes for the tracking cameras. It's made with a flexible headband, so it's actually like the real flexible one. It's just missing the top bit. And of course, the controllers that go with that. The keychains are for sale, I believe, on MrTass's website, which I think there's a code JayBratt that will save you like 10% off if you do want to check out any of his stuff. He has the code. I don't get anything from that, just so you know, but he has the code there just to help save you all a little bit of money. We got a much bigger box, so I'm guessing there's gonna be some more golf clubs in here, but I don't know if there's any more surprises or anything. So we'll see what we got. Taste the rainbow. Extra clubs, ears, and keychains. Wow. Okay, this is a lot more stuff than I thought this was gonna be. So we've got another print of the PSVR itself. Just the PSVR, that's cool. And just the controllers separately. Okay, now I have enough of these that I'll give one set away. I've given away one before, but I don't often give away these because these are just so freaking cool. I've got a lot. Okay, I'll be throwing away keychains in all the giveaways apparently. We got another Quest 2, this one with a less flexible. Another set of those Quest Pro light blockers. We reviewed these already. They'll leave a link to another video up here, but these fully cover and don't let any light in for your Quest Pro if you need a set of those. And they're 3D printed, yet they're super flexible. 3D printing's coming a long ways. All right, we're gonna have to kind of rapid fire these because there's a lot. I have the MrTass 3D printed cat ears on my Bobo VR M2. You can now get a set of antlers, devil horns. Let me at least model these real quick, so I gotta see what the heck. Yeah, those are some like straight up fantasy style horns right there. That's pretty neat. The thing I like about these too is like with the 3D print, it actually looks really like correct. What I would think like a set of horns like these, they wouldn't be perfectly smooth. They'd be kind of rigid. So that's pretty neat. Jeez, there's so many. Are these moose? I'm not much of a hunter, so I don't really know a lot of this stuff, but these look like moose antlers to me. Those actually are pretty cool looking with the black and the way they match. Those are pretty neat. These might be the fox ears. Those look pretty tall, but maybe those are the fox ones. Oh, we're gonna cut straight to these ones being on. I don't even probably have to say the name of that for most of you. I feel like somewhere online I saw somebody trying to sell a set of these along with the tail, and they couldn't remember how to attach the tail or something. They couldn't figure it out, but memes. More keychains. How is there another box of stuff to give away? I feel like this is a ton of stuff. This is gonna be part of the next like 10 giveaways. Those might be more the fox ears. No, those look like fawn ears to me. And then it looks like 2 more sets of cat ears, which you've seen those on there before. Well, those are cat ears. Man, I gotta go look at this website. These are a pointy version. Maybe these are the fox ears, I don't know. Okay, did we get through everything in there? Yes. Really testing me with the tape here, Tass. And this one's got like layers and layers of flavors. We've got golf clubs and golf clubs and golf clubs. Dear goodness. The freaking whole table's gonna be full here. Okay, I think this is like every possible color you can print in. Jeez. Tass, thank you. Seriously. All right, one last box. I'm running out of space. You're going back on your stand. I don't think they sent me a webcam, so let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, more ears and more ears and more ears and more ears and keychains galore. Well, you can all imagine how many of the next giveaways are gonna have extra 3D printed accessories in, because this is overwhelming. Tass, seriously, this is enormous. A lot of the horns are really cool. I'm pretty excited to see the PSVR. Seriously, huge thank you. Oh my goodness, this is overwhelming. Thank you, Tass. If you see anything here you want to actually go buy, support Tass, check out the store. I'll leave a link in the description, and there is a code there that'll save you a little extra. But for the most part, stuff's really reasonably priced, at least. I mean, it's 3D printed, so typical 3D print stuff, you know, there's gonna be some texture to it, but most stuff is not. Like, I wouldn't say it's expensive by any means. I think these clubs, which I always use for walkabout mini golf, are like 10 bucks. But thank you, Tass. Thank you, everybody. It's been an overwhelming day with all kinds of amazing stuff coming in from all of you. So I just wanna say thank you, and I will see you in another reality.